So today I'll show you the new song kit I made for Metro Boomings type shit. It has all the drums and one-shots of the song. And if you want to download, link is in the description, you can download for free. And if you want me to make the same for another song, just let me know. But here we go with the drums of type shit. Nice, and of course all the one-shots. Now I'll show you what I was able to recreate with my drum kit. Here we go.